Hello, my name is RD and we are going to solve problem 5.15 from Sadiku book. So the question is A. Determine the ratio of V0 over IS in the op-amp circuit of figure 5.44 and evaluate the ratio for R1 is 20 kilo ohm, R2 is 25 kilo ohm, and R3 is 40 kilo ohm. Okay, maybe let's see the circuit first. This is our ground, so the voltage here will be 0. And also if we name this node here as VA, okay, I think we will have VA is equal to 0 because the properties of op-amp, right? Ideal op-amp 0, 4. Okay, that is for VA. And now we can do KCL at VA. KCL at VA. KCL at VA, and the sum of the current that goes in will equal to the sum of the current that goes out, right? Okay, and this is the current that goes in, which is IS, and then this is the current that goes out, and this is the current that goes out here. Okay, remember that the current that goes into the op-amp is 0, but the current that goes in is just IS, so we will have IS here is equal to 0, and then plus, okay, this current here, maybe let's name that node here as VB, right? So we will have 0 plus VA minus VB divided by R1, right? But then VA is equal to 0, so we will have IS is equal to minus VB divided by R1. But then we will have VB. VB is equal to minus IS multiplied by R1. I think let's have this as equation number 1 here. Let's highlight them. And now we can move on to VB here. So let's do another KCL, but this time at VB. Okay. Now let's do exactly that. KCL at VB. KCL said that the sum of the current that goes in will equal to the sum of the current that goes out. Okay, the current that goes in, this is IS and this is 0. Remember that this is equal to IS. So I will have IS here on the left hand side, and then plus we will have VB minus 0 because this is a ground divided by R2. Oh, that is the current that goes out. So I think we will have equal sign here. So we will have VB minus 0 divided by R2. And then what else? We will have plus VB minus V0 divided by R3. Okay, maybe we can just simplify this. So I will have IS is equal to VB divided by R2. And then this one, I want to separate this. So I will have VB over R3 minus V0 over R3. But then we can substitute VB into minus IS R1. So let's exactly do that. IS is equal to minus IS R1 divided by R2. And then minus IS R1 divided by R3. Then we will have minus V0 over R3. Okay, let's move this to the left hand side. I will have IS plus is R1 divided by R2, and then plus is R1 divided by R3, and that will equal to minus V0 over R3. Okay, now let's take out the is. So we'll have is, and this will be 1, and then plus R1 over R2, and then plus R1 over R3, and that will equal to minus V0 over R3. And we are asked about V0 over is. So we can rewrite this as V0 over is. So that is moving this is here and minus R3 to the left hand side. So I will have minus R3 here, and then we will have 1, and then plus R1 over R2, and then plus R1 over R3. Okay, our slide is full. Maybe let's clean up the board to simplify the calculation. Okay, let's continue this. So we will have V0 over is. That will equal to, okay, let's distribute this inside the R3. So I will have minus R3 plus R3 and R3 will cancel each other. So I will have R1, and then plus R3 multiplied by R1. So R1 multiplied by R3 divided by R2. And I think this is the answer for problem A. Okay, that is good. So now for the problem B, we can just plug R1, R2, and R3. Right? So we will have for the problem B, V0 over is just minus R3. R3 is 40. And then R1 is 20. Then plus R1 is 20, R3 is 40, R2 is 25. Okay, we will have V0 over is just minus, let's put that into calculator. So we will have 20 multiplied by 40 divided by 25, and then before that we will have 40 plus 20. Okay, and that will be minus 92. Okay, and I think that's all. The problem, the answer for question A is this equation here, and the answer for the question B is minus 92. And that's all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.